If you want to make your email address or phone number clickable in your email signature, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a super useful way to make it easier for people to contact you directly, and it also makes your signature look much more professional. Whether you're adding a support email, a sales line, or your personal contact info, this process is quick once you know where to click. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Email. This is where you'll manage your email services and webmail settings. After that, log into Titan Webmail. Titan is the emails platform Bluehost uses, so this is where your signature settings will be located. Now that you're in Titan Webmail, look for the switch in the top left corner and click on Signature Designer. This is the area where you can create or edit your email signature. If you already have a signature set up, you can open your existing one. If not, you can create a new signature from scratch. Either way, this is where you will add your clickable contact details. Next, type the email address or phone number you want to include in your signature. You can place it wherever you want in the layout, depending on how your signature is designed. Once it's typed in, highlight the exact text you want to make clickable. This is important because only the highlighted text will be turned into a link. After that, go to the formatting toolbar and click the link button. It usually looks like a chain link icon, and this is what opens the link settings. In the link field, enter the correct link you want to use. For an email address, you'll want to use a Mailto link, so clicking it opens a new email message. For a phone number, you can use a tel link, so clicking it allows someone to call directly from a supported device. Once you've entered the link, click Save. After that, click Save again to make sure all of your signature changes are stored properly. That second save step is easy to miss, but it's what confirms your updates are applied, and that's it. Your email address or phone number should now be clickable inside your signature, making it much easier for people to reach you with one tap or one click. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference for communication and professionalism. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.